Good morning, it's time to wake up, but that doesn't mean you need to get out of bed right away. Here's a little morning mobility flow to get your day started the right way. We're starting with a nice archer stretch to open up that chest, decompress that spine. We're doing 10 on each side. Reach to one side and open up to the opposite, your head following your arm. Now let's internally and externally rotate those hips to open them up. The morning is a great time to do this to prep your day. Just make sure that you're following your natural range of motion. Now let's focus on flexion in your ankles, simply by pointing our toes to the ceiling and to the wall, and let's not forget our wrists as well. A few circles will suffice. Okay, let's sit on the edge of our bed. Let's dive forward and open up that chest. We're doing everything about 10 times, but honestly, you really don't have to count. You can go with how you feel. Let's turn our neck from left to right, loosening up those tense areas, especially after a long night's sleep. Then we're gonna gently roll forward, come back up and slightly arch that back, focusing on decompressing that spine. Again, follow your natural range of motion. It's not supposed to hurt. Let's end with a nice self-hug with a little twist. Alternate your arms, and that's it. You're ready to start your day nice and nimble. Save this for tomorrow.